Hello, it's Joe Lyons, and in this video on regular expressions, I'm going to demonstrate how you can dump things into an object from RegExMatch. The other tool I've been using doesn't really make it easy to see this, so I wanted to do this. I'm using Sight right now, but what you do is you add in this capital O for the parameter you're going to pass to it to tell it to dump it into an object. Here's my haystack, so this is what I'm searching through. And my RegExpression, I've named a subpattern here. If you haven't seen that video already, check it out. I'm going to name the first one word, and I'm going to get some sort of a word character, and however many there are, up to the first delimiter, which I've named here, and that'll be either a white space or, look for the pipe, a question mark, or a period, or a comma, and there can be more than one or more of them. And I'm dumping that into this variable, which is an object, which I named obj, right? So what I want to be able to do is, let's say I wanted to know the length of it, or the name, what it came from, how many different subpatterns there were, the position of where it is. That's the beauty of dumping it into an object, besides that the objects are lightning fast to play with. So when I run this, and here I just iterate over it, right? So the first two, I'm just demonstrating you can either get the value this way, where object is .word, or you can say .value of that, and both of them will return back the same content. So this obviously is a little bit leaner. Then the position, where it is, it's the very first position, the length of it, right? And here I'm just showing you the syntax, so obj.len, and then which one you're getting, and that's based off of this right here. Right, so that'll give me the length, the name, and then that is the subpattern that it came from, and then the count of how many total subpatterns there are in this group. So when I hit OK, it's going to iterate to the second one. Now the value is a comma, again, same thing twice. Position starts at 6, because if we counted this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the 6th position. The name is delim, because that's what I've called this right here. And the count of overall how many, it's the same thing as one before. I think this is really helpful if you plan to do some other things with where you need some of these values from. It's very convenient to dump it into an object, and you have it for manipulation, storing, and whatnot. Thank you.